Hi everyone. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this half up, half down style, then stay tuned.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been needing to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. I love you good. Just wanna be your girl. All alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is.
Okay, you guys, so here, I don't know what happened to my footage, but you're not going to be doing what I'm doing in the video, but basically what you want to do is take the artificial hair and you're going to take a loose that ponytail that's already up there, and you want to create a new ponytail with your natural hair and the synthetic hair inside of the ponytail. And once you have that new ponytail created, you're then going to take your natural hair and some of the synthetic hair and wrap it around like you just saw me do there. So yeah.